Hello everyone, Harsh this side. Welcome to the Marinas Compass. Right now you watching the Marinas News. Welcome to the Marinas News in another episode. Fire erupted on the boat of Russian trawlers at Las Palmas, Canary Islands. In the afternoon, December 24, during the maintenance work, trawlers is docked since December 2018. Fireman is said to be restricted by compartment and did not spread further. 5 Las Palmas firefighters is restricted is very high temperature inside the affected compartment. 3 of crew went missing and later were found dead. 4 crew suffered a smoke inhalation. 2 of them had to take hospital. Thank you for watching. For more information regarding Merchant Navy and Merchant Navy news, please subscribe the Mariners Compass.